The letters that you have on your tax code relate to how much you are entitled to or not as an annual tax-free personal allowance. Your tax codes are updated each year and they keep employers up to date on how much tax to deduct from your employees' pay packets. L. You get the basic rate of personal allowance if you were born after the 5th of April 1948. In 2018-19, the most common tax code is 1185L. The number in your code reflects how much tax-free allowance you get, i.e. 1185L shows a personal allowance of $11,850. OT. With this code, you are given no personal allowance. This can happen when you don't provide your employer with your P45, you don't give them enough details for them to work out your tax code, or you have used up all your personal allowance in a previous income. BR or DL. All your pay on this code will be taxed at either the basic rate if you have BR or at the higher rate if you have DL. This may be because all of your allowance has been used up, which may happen if you have a second job or receive a pension whilst working. D1. All of your pay will be taxed at the additional rate, which is 45%. This will be because you have used up all of your allowance already. For instance, you may have another job. K. Your total benefits in kind exceed your allowance. For example, if you have a company car with a deemed benefit more than your personal tax-free allowance. To get the tax, HMRC adds an amount onto your salary before calculating it. You will be given a K code to ensure you pay tax on the excess. M. This means that you are benefiting from the marriage allowance. N. Means that you've elected to use your marriage allowance, transferring 10% of the unused personal allowance to your partner or civil partner. NT. No tax is paid in this income. S. You live in Scotland and you pay the Scottish rate of income tax. T. This one is used when the tax office needs to review your tax code. For example, if your tax affairs are complex or your estimated income is more than £100,000, which could affect your personal allowance. W1 or M1, these are emergency tax codes standard for 1 week or 1 month, depending on whether you are paid weekly or monthly. This indicates that you are not being taxed accumulatively, but just on the amount that you have earned in the particular payslip. It is always important to check your tax code to ensure that the correct information is being used, as HMRC can occasionally get it wrong. If you have been on the wrong code, then you can notify HMRC and they will amend it for you. You'll be refunded if you have been overpaying, or you may need to pay more if you have been underpaying. I hope you found this useful. If you would like to know any more, please get in touch using the details below.